Simba, remember who you are. This is the story of the Lion King. Let's go. At the start of the movie, Rafiki, the monkey, the monkey holds Simba in the air. He has just been born. He is the prince. This is his father, Mufasa, and this is his mother. One day, Simba should be king. One day. This is Pride Rock, and it overlooks the entire kingdom. Mufasa and Simba are sat on Pride Rock. They are looking out across their huge kingdom. Mufasa is the king. Simba is the prince. One day, Simba will be king. Mufasa says to Simba, one day all of this will be yours. But he warns Simba never to go over here, because it is a bad place. This is Scar. He is Mufasa's brother. They are family. He is Mufasa's brother. He is a very evil lion. He's a very evil lion. These are his henchmen. His followers. They worship him. They think he should be king, and so does Scar. They are hyenas. Scar is in his dark, evil cave, thinking of a plan. He's thinking of a plan to get rid of his brother Mufasa from the throne so he can be king. Scar makes an evil plan. He tricks Simba into going to a canyon. Scar tricked Simba to going to the canyon because he knew there would be a stampede. Look, a stampede. A stampede of wildebeest, and that Simba would end up in trouble. He would end up in trouble. Look at Simba. He is on top of a tree branch. He is in very bad danger. He might die. But thankfully, Thankfully, Mufasa, the king, the Lion King, he comes and he saves Simba. He picks him up with his mouth. He picks him up with his mouth and takes him away from the wildebeest. He takes him away from the wildebeest. What a brave father. What a brave father Mufasa is. But there is a big problem. There is a big problem. Mufasa climbs out of the canyon. He climbs out. And he says to his brother Scar, he says to his brother Scar, help me please, Scar, pull me up, I'm going to die. Scar, because he is evil, an evil lion, says, no, I should be king. I should be king. And he throws Mufasa. He throws him off of the rock that he's climbed up right down into the canyon. Mufasa is dead. Simba, thinking, this is all my fault. He pokes his dad. He's very, very sad. He cannot believe that Mufasa is dead because of him. It is very, very sad. It can make you cry. Simba then runs away. He runs away because he's scared of Scar. He runs away. And he meets two new friends. Two new friends. We have Pumbaa and Timon. Timon is a meerkat. He is a meerkat. Compare the meerkat, if you know that. And Pumbaa is, I'm not too sure. I think he's a wildebeest. Like before, or maybe some kind of old pig. I don't know. You let me know in the comments. Timon and Pumbaa, they teach Simba to be happy again. They teach him to be happy again. Simba is happy again, but he feels guilty. He still feels guilty about his father. Then time passes by. Time passes by. Look, Simba has grown up. He's grown up into a full, big, strong lion. A full, big, strong lion like his father Mufasa. He is now a man. He is now a man. And he is very happy with Timon and Pumbaa. He is very happy. But there is another problem. There is another problem. Simba feels very, very guilty. He feels very, very guilty about his father and about running away and leaving his kingdom to Scar. He feels very guilty about it. He sees his father, his dead father, in the clouds, in the night sky, in the night sky with the stars, the twinkling stars. And Mufasa says to Simba, from beyond the grave, Simba, remember who you are. Simba, remember who you are. He's telling Simba to remember that he is the true king. He is the true king, and he should go back to Pride Rock, and he should take his kingdom back from Scar. And Simba thinks, I will do this. Simba thinks, I will do this. Simba goes back. He goes back to Pride Rock. And he battles Scar, who has taken over his kingdom. They fight. Rah, rah. Look, it's raining. There is lightning. There is fire. It is very bad. The kingdom is in trouble if Simba doesn't win this fight. They fight. Rah, rah. I can't do a lion. Rah. They fight. And Simba defeats Scar. He defeats him. He wins the battle. And he leaves Scar here. And his old henchmen, they eat eat him and he dies. He dies. That's what happens, Scar. Now, Simba walks up. Simba walks up Pride Rock. Pride Rock. In the rain. In the rain. In the rain. And he roars. Roar. To let everyone know he is the king. He is the king again. He is the king again. And everything can go back to normal. He has avenged his father. He has defeated Scar. And the kingdom is safe again. Well done, Simba. Well done, Simba. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments below, what story you want to see next. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Peace.